Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get tips from articles on several health or mental wellness topics using the Ada application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your homepage and scroll down till you find the Take Care of Your Health section and tap on the Get Tips from Our Medical Team. Here you can find a bunch of articles, select the relevant one that you are interested in, tap on it, and now you are ready to read an overall article. If you would like to know more about this topic, you can find these references at the bottom of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.